Hello everyone, it's your girl Sonia and welcome to my channel Sonia's Way. And today I'm going to talk about serious stuff. What are you saying? I never talk about serious stuff. Today it's going to be serious. I am going to talk about stuff that makes me wanna say, what the fush? When life gives you lemons, just be thankful that it's not a horn of a bull. Now what the freaking fresh is that? I mean, oh my god, did your dog do that? I wonder why her cap is not ripped. It's whole. Why? It should be ripped too. What the fish, girlfriend? If I was a girlfriend, I would never say that I'm not hungry because I'm always hungry. There's never ever a time when I'm not hungry. I need food all the time. Where is my food? Oh, I think I ate it. I need to get more food. Wait. Oh my god, these people are so clever because they are drinking and they'll need to pee a lot. So they're going to pee right there where they are sitting. They're going to pee right there. Like they won't have to get up and they can drink and pee and drink and pee and drink and pee at the same time. Disgusting. Yes, lady, if you are wearing that, then I wish too that those were brains. What the fush, you artist? I mean, I can see that you have a great potential. This guy can be a great artist, but I'm not sure if this is the kind of art he should be making. Like, we get it, it's a rainbow coming out of a do. You can do better. I mean, you can do better. Oh my god, what the fush, cats? I always knew this. I always knew that cats are not those cute little creatures. They are spies. They are spies from some other planet. They are spying on us humans. They can walk like us. They can stand like us. This picture is a proof right here. What the fush, cats? Why would you do that to us? Why would you play with our emotions? See, another proof. This little catty cat thinks that nobody noticed, but we did. You little fish eater. You know what? This is something I can relate to. You know those times when you want to hide from the world, you want to be invisible? This is the way to do it. Just tattoo your whole face and nobody will recognize you. Sonia, this is a great idea. Do it. Maybe next time you'll see me with a face full of tattoos. Since we are talking about tattoos, here is one. Never don't give up. What does it even mean? Like, you give up or you don't give up? If never cancels don't, is it give up? Maybe giving up is a better option. My life is a lie. I didn't know that. What the freshin' fish is that? I mean, okay, maybe the people of this peaceful city love cows, or maybe they love popsicles. Is it a cow? Whatever. But why do they have to do this? Is it art? Why do they have to put that stick right there? Why? This looks bad. Now what the freaking freaks is this? I mean, was this man a child killer and he's being honored for killing children? I don't get it. Yeah, what the fush, humans? You thought only you have human rights? Foxes have the human rights too. They can stand in a queue of an ATM and wait for their money because this fox deposited a large sum of money in a bank and now she's here to get it because she's going to a supermarket after this and she's going to buy some grocery for her kids. So be respectful to her. You know, people ask me that who is my favorite superhero? This is my favorite superhero. The incredible fella from the movie Revengers, you must know. And there are other options too. There's Greg, there is Token Girl, there is Detective Horse. You can choose any one of these. So many options and so many cool superheroes. There's Nighty Night too. Well, this is interesting. I didn't know I have an anti-stress kit right behind me. Cool. Okay, well, what is that? I think I get it now. It's a chick magnet. That guy is a chick magnet. Well, dude, if those are the kind of chicks you are gonna attract, then you better not be a chick magnet at all. Go be a priest or something. Like me. Okay, I know a lot of people out there are going to say, oh, what the fish, what a creep, this guy is a weirdo. But no, I don't think so, because I think this is pretty cute. Look at that beautiful exotic family. You have to accept the fact that it's a family. Whatever it is. They are different, but they are people. Maybe not people, they are animal people and a doll. Now, how am I supposed to sit on that chair? It should have been a little lower, you know? A little bit lower, a little bit lower. Oh well, when the emergency is so close by, you don't have to be scared about your life. Call them and they'll be there. In a minute. In 10 seconds. Maybe in a second. Now this what the fuss is for you guys. Because you guys are causing global warming, and that's why animals are freezing up. They are going to vanish from the face of this earth when they freeze to death. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? You're going to a gym. Be like me and don't even bother going to a gym. Who needs to be fit? No man, this is not what the fuss. This is like the greatest idea ever. Because my fridge also looks like this, and this is a great idea to show to my mom that see how many fruits I eat every day. My fridge is always full of fruits and vegetables and stuff. Is that a bear? Now what the fuss to the people who make these things? I mean, people just want to park their cars, man. Why do they have to go through all this mathematics all the time? What the fuss to every person in that traffic jam, because I'm jealous of you. I'm jealous of each one of you. What the fish, mom? I told you I don't want to go shopping with you. And you brought me to a lingerie shop? How am I going to look at that girl stuff? I hate that stuff. I'm just a young boy. You know what? I get this joke. This is the rock bottom, what I have hit in life. But I'm telling you, this is also a murder mystery. Someone turned a person into a rock with some sorcery and then buried the body. But now the murder mystery is going to be solved because the bottom of that body has come out of the earth. See, you killers, you're gonna get caught. Okay, which one is the guy from the Stranger Things? Okay, the right hand one. Okay, at first I thought they were both the same. Sister hits moose on way to visit sister who hit moose. I'm telling you guys, this is not a coincidence. These sisters, I know them. These sisters are serial moose killers. So keep your mooses safe, you know. Okay, so I know I showed you guys a lot of weird stuff today. So I'm going to make it up for it and show you guys the most cutest thing you have ever seen. So here it is. I know, right? It melts my heart every time I look at it. So cute. Are you crying? No, it's fine. These tears are of happiness, I know, and love. It's okay. Let it out. Let it all out. And here is another picture, a bonus picture to show you that life is full of mysteries. Trees feel lonely too. They need hugs too. And when they hug, it's forever. It's not like just for 2 minutes or 2 seconds. It's like forever. Till they die, till they rot and become fossils. See? Life is full of mysteries. See? I told you they are spying on us. Now be prepared for an alien attack, and those aliens would be none other than the cats. So that's for today. I don't know if I'm going to make another weird video again, because depends on my mood. That depends on my mood. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But if people will watch it, I will. If people won't watch it, then I won't. So depends on the number of views. Like I said, I need views to survive. Also, check out my friend Matt's channel. He has started making really cool vlogs. I love them and you should check it out too and give him your support. Link is in the description. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Peace out.